Show you something a bit more cool. Just deleted your beat. Hello friends, welcome to another video of Karan's World. Hope you guys are doing great. So today I'm going to be doing an acid, base and turmeric experiment. So let's get right started with it. But before, if you're not subscribed to my channel Karan's World, you make sure you do and press that notifications button so you get notified when I make all of these cool uploads, and make sure you've liked and shared all my videos. So what we'll need for this experiment is some detergent right here, some lemons. I'm going to be using this to pour the juice out. Some water in a glass. I'll put the see-through one so you guys can see. Some turmeric, not this much, I'm just going to take it out. And some water to mix the detergent with. This is, the lemon is meant to be acting as the acid, because the juice is acid. And the detergent is meant to be acting as the base. So I'm just going to get a spoon out. Put like around 1 teaspoon of turmeric into my glass of water. I think I don't need this much. Take away a bit. Yeah, this must be enough. Mix it into my glass. Mix, mix, mix. Make sure it's all dissolved. Yep. So our turmeric, our indicator, has this active ingredient inside it called the curcumin, and this is what's acting right now. So now I'm going to do the lemon. So I'm just gonna get my bowl out for the, and then I'm just gonna, nice. So that is the lemon juice poured out. Just squeeze all the lemon juice out. Now I'm gonna put some water into the detergent and mix it. That's good enough. We can add more if you want. Okay, I think we need a bit more. Need it to be a watery consistency. To let it dissolve. So now I'm going to show you guys what will happen if I put the acid onto the natural indicator. So if I just put a little bit, if you see there, nothing has happened to the turmeric, like the turmeric mixed water. But let's see if it's the case when we put the detergent in. Some inside. Oh my days. Do you see that, friends? I just made blood, I think. Look at that. It's blood. Pure red, just gone inside from the reaction, because this is the base and this is a natural indicator. Now, I'm going to put the acid inside. I'm going to put the lime in. Look at that. It's turned it back to yellow. Friends, as you can see, I've made it already yellow, but I added a bit too much detergent. So I'm going to squeeze out another half of a lemon, put this inside. It's actually gone yellow, as you had seen before, but I'm just going to add a bit more. See? It's turned yellow like what we had done before. Look at that. A different method for showing you how this experiment works. So we've got our mixed turmeric powder with the water, normal water. We've got our rest of the detergent that we had mixed, and some lemon juice. I think I'll need more, but let's use this first because we're only using half of the paper. So I'm gonna first dip this foam brush into the turmeric water, and then I'm gonna put it through here. I'm just using our paintbrush because my sponge brush was soaking up all the water. Silly me. Okay, so this is our turmeric water. Currently, I haven't put a really good coat on it, but this is just showing you a different method. So this is what we got here. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a cotton swab like this, dip it in my my lemon juice, and see what reaction it makes. Absolutely nothing. Now what I'm gonna show you is something, and just put another coat just to show you more in detail. So the acid didn't work, like what we had done in the previous experiment. Now, what I'm going to do is get my detergent. Let's see. See? Same. So it's a bit fake, I know, but it's right now. I've just put my detergent in and I've just put sub to Karan's ward. You should really do that, it'll really help you. Do another part of this thing. So I just thought, get a cotton swab, dip it in the lemon juice, put this here. Ha! Vanished. Let me show you something a bit more cool. Just deleted your bead. This is absolutely brilliant. Look, you have a yellow bee now. Shape shifting, probably, or color shifting. So as I said in our first experiment for this, there is an active ingredient acting in the turmeric called curcumin, and this is what leads us to his conclusion, because without curcumin, none of this would have happened. So, big thank you to curcumin for letting us do this. Yeah. Before I go, I'd like to tell you a shout out from Karan's ward to Vamsi Visions. Vamsi Visions is a really cool STEM learning series that my friend does in my school. He does loads of different projects with it, microbit projects, loads of crafts, making suspension bridges and stuff, loads of crafts, and he's super interesting with the STEM learning series, and he's done loads of stuff with it, and even I've taken part in one of the videos, so you should go check this out. Put the link right here for his channel. It's amazing. You should subscribe to him as well. It is super cool and it's worth checking it out. So this is my paper experiment, and I did a water experiment as well. This is super fun, okay? You can make different types of paintings as well with this. Like, you know, you can make spread out paintings like what, I don't know, loads of artists do. It's really fun. It shows you learn science as long as art as well.